All right, here we go. Question number 6 from our Calculus 1 homework number 1 in WebAssign. They want us to explain what it means to say, and then they have two separate limits written down. So I'm going to go through each one of these limits and show you how to read it correctly, and then we're going to come back and choose which description is correct. So in my scratch work here, I have both of the limits written down that they had. Let's look at how to read this correctly. This is the limit as x approaches 8 from the left. If it looks like there's a negative in the exponent position for the 8, that means from the left. So again, we have the limit as x approaches 8 from the left of f of x is 6. And then the other one says the limit as x approaches 8 from the right of f of x equals 1. So that's how you read those correctly. Now let's go back and see if we can figure out which answer is correct. And the very first one says what we needed to say. It says as x approaches 8 from the left, f of x approaches 6. So we're going to go with that one. The second and the third one can't be right because it doesn't designate that we approach 8 from the left. And then the last option says as x approaches 8 from the right, which is what the second limit says. Now there is a second part to this problem where it says in this situation, is it possible that the limit as x approaches 8 of f of x exists? And in my scratch work, I'll try to make this as clear as possible. If you approach the same value from each side, from the left and the right, and the limits do not equal the same number, then the limit as x approaches 8 overall of f of x does not exist. You have to approach the same number from both sides in order for that limit to exist. And so back in our problem, the only option that says no is the one that we need to choose. And once we get the verification that we got the right answers for both parts, we're done with the problem. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me, and thanks for watching.